Hey guys, welcome to week 6. So you just finished up your first test, and you'll need to give me some time this week to get the grading done. I'll be sending you each an individual email with an attachment that will show the breakdown of your scores from Part A and Part B, and I will also be sending you the SAM reports with any adjustments to those scores as well as feedback on anything you may have missed. So give me some time to get that grading done and get that back to you this week. So here's what we have going for week 6. You're going to be starting on Module 4. Now this is a really fun module. This is over doing a lot of graphs. Keep in mind that if you are familiar with an older version of Excel, particularly the 2010 version and earlier, you're going to find that the location of some of the chart elements is going to be quite different, but I think you're going to enjoy where it's at as well. So I suggest that if you're not familiar with doing charts, different types of charts in Excel, that you actually do the Module 4 training. Even though it's optional, I highly recommend that you do it before you go into reading Module 4 in the book and completing those steps for Module 4. Then you're going to be going to SAM and completing the Module 4 project. Folks, take advantage of the multiple attempts. I've noticed several people have not been doing that, and I really think you can improve that grade. So get into SAM, check out your scores, go to reports, download the graded file and see what you did wrong, and go back and make the changes to your original file. So you've got multiple attempts. Make sure you do that. Then you're going to be going into Module 4 review in the book. And again, the reviews are very much similar to the modules themselves, so if you get stuck on anything, you can always refer back to that particular topic within the module. And then you're going to be doing case 2. So that's the schedule for this week. If you have any questions, let me know. And I do want to point out that if you do get stuck on something, you might want to come over here to the video section. I tend to have a lot of videos. Some of those may be from a version 2013, but very similar to 16. So if you get stuck on something, I've got it laid out here for you. So if we're working on Module 4, click on Module 4. So I have a lot of information on creating charts and things of that nature. Now, you can also, I know we're going to be doing the PMT function, and that's not part of the Module 4, but you will find that as part of some of the business functions in here as well. So what I'll try to do is go ahead and grab some of those videos that are already embedded in other modules, and I'll put it in the Module 4 for you as well. So hey, look, if you guys have any questions, any concerns, shoot me an email. I don't know if you need help unless you call me. I'm still waiting for that mind reading app. And if you get stuck on a step and you're going, hey man, I just can't do this, I don't know where to start, go ahead and shoot me an email. Attach your file. Let me know what assignment it is and what page. If it's in the module, if it's in the case of the review, just let me know what step it is, and then I'll go ahead and check it out. I'll either send you written feedback or do a video for you. And you also have access to me at the college and through my office number as well as my home number. So take advantage of the resources. Have a great week and have fun working with charts.